Hey everyone, it's Lucy from KBeautyHobby.com. Welcome to my channel where I mostly do nail reviews and tutorials. Today I have a different kind of video. It's an unboxing video. We're going to take a look at some of the jewelry that the brand called Jeulia sent me. This is not a sponsored video. All the items here were gifted to me, but I gotta pick each and every one of them. While I'm not a snob by any means, I am picky about the jewelry that I wear. And my favorite type of metal is sterling silver because it's good on the skin, lasts for a long time, is properly cared for, and there's no plating or coating to wear off. These are called Jeulia Natural Beauty Butterfly and Flower Enamel Sterling Silver Hoop Earrings. Now, despite the hoop in the name, these are actually what used to be called an English lock, or at least when I was a kid living in Russia, any earring with this type of mechanism, which were very, very popular, was called an earring with an English lock. These are sterling silver with enamel and I think some sort of imitation stone, which doesn't matter because it sparkles amazing. I will put links for everything in the description box. One thing to know about these locks, the best way to open them while preserving the longevity of the mechanism is to simply pinch both sides here together at the same time like this. And then it opens. And then to lock it, listen for the click. Do you hear that? That's what keeps it in your ears no matter what you do. If you are jumping around or dancing or doing something active, these should stay right in. I love these. I cannot wait to wear these. I peeked in the package, but I did not get a chance to wear any of these yet, and I simply cannot wait. These are so unique. I do not have anything like this at all, but I have a dress with very similar color patterns and flowers on it, and I think these are going to be so beautiful with that. Here's the next box. I like the boxes, they feel sturdy. I also appreciate that all of the items, including the earrings, are all packed in the little baggies to make sure that they don't get scratched on the way. This is their two-tone crossover ring. These do come in different colors, but I picked this one. It's the sterling silver, and then the little accents are rose gold. I got the size 6 US, but they have all the other sizes listed here as well. Once the tag is removed, you can no longer return these, but that's fine, I don't plan on it. And here it is. Now, I got a size 6 on purpose because fingers in the heat or with different time periods can swell a bit, and I wanted something that would fit basically no matter what. I do keep some little spiral ring sizers that I can wrap around should this become a little bit loose in the winter when the fingers are smaller, but I like to go a tiny bit bigger on my rings just to make sure that I can wear them on either hand. My right hand is bigger than the left. I plan on wearing this a lot. Last but not least, very interesting box. I have not seen a box like this before, at least not for this type of jewelry. And this is the Leaf Wrap Moss Agate bridal set. And again, everything is individually packaged in these little baggies to make sure that everything makes it safe. I got the size 6 for the reasons I already outlined. But also a good tip for ring sizing, the wider the band, the larger the size that you will need. For example, if you're just getting a very delicate band like this one, you may need a size 5.5, or I know that I need a size 5.5, for example. But the wider you go, the more you need to size up, because wide bands tend to squish your finger a little bit. Look at this. I think this is the way that I would wear it, with a pointy part pointing up, but you could wear it the other way as well. And of course, because these are not joined together, you could wear this with anything else or put them on different hands, etc. This is so whimsical. I love fantasy, I love whimsy, I love things like that. And this just spoke to me. And I'm happy to report that in person, this looks just as good and probably actually better than the listing pictures. And that's always my worry with online purchases. I won't name drop, but I've had some very unfortunate experiences with some well-known jewelry brands And that's why I don't do coated or vermeil jewelry anymore, because things just did not last and yet the price tag was very high. But here, everything looks exactly as advertised, and I cannot wait to wear these. I do have a proper wedding ring, but I don't wear it very often. It's very nice and very fancy, and sometimes it stresses me out to wear it, especially if I'm going somewhere, public place or traveling. So I love having all these other options that are very nice still, but perhaps not as pricey. And it also gives me a lot of variety in terms of pairing them with outfits, etc. Shipping was quick. Once the items shipped, I received them within a week, almost to the day. I actually got them 6 days after they shipped. The website has tons of different options, different metals, stone upgrades, etc. If you want to check it out for yourself, the brand did give me an affiliate code that will give you a discount. It's KBeauty15. I'll put everything in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you find something to brighten your day or a gift for somebody you love. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye.